the PG&E Energy House Calls team traveled to Fresno, California to meet the Esker family.
I like it up here! Woohoo!
The team is going to show the Eskers how to take a whole house approach to their home's energy use to make their home more comfortable and lower their energy bill.
This is what Energy House Calls is all about.
Find out how on this episode of Energy House Calls, presented by PG&E.
This is the home of the Esker family. Let's work together to ensure the entire home is energy efficient.
Madeline and Drew are set to celebrate their 25th anniversary with their 4 active kids. But with an ailing AC, the challenge will be to keep this family happy and comfortable during the hot summer months.
Our home has gotten up to 94 degrees, which is absolutely insane for a household of 4.
Hey, how are you guys?
Good, welcome.
It's hot in here. I can feel the heat already. What's going on in here?
We have an antiquated AC system. It gets up to about 94 degrees during the summer inside the house.
On the inside, gosh.
Yeah, for a family of 6, the tensions run high.
I can't imagine living in a home where the AC doesn't work every day. Let's talk about your kitchen, shall we?
Our problem child is our refrigerator. The ice just continues to dispense without stopping, and the water does not come through.
Wow, problem child is right. She's wasting water and energy. So what else here? Let's see.
Yeah, I was going to bring that up.
When did a microwave become a storage unit in the kitchen?
You found my stash.
So let's take a look at this AC unit.
That's our old dinosaur.
You know, when people are tackling a problem with an AC or heating unit, a store isn't the only place that you can turn to for answers and also to help you fix your problem. Actually, PG&E can help you with things that you might not even know about, because people think that by replacing an AC unit, all of their energy problems are gone. But actually could be bigger issues. Things like leaks and drafts might also be a problem. By visiting their website, pge.com, you'll be able to locate participating contractors who are working with PG&E to help you assess the energy of your home. Where are you saving, where are you losing, and how you can do better.
Carmen quickly shows Madeline and the family how to hop on pge.com/home upgrade to find a trusted contractor in their area that could give Drew and Madeline a complete energy assessment that could help keep their energy bills low while keeping their home cool and comfortable.
Esker family, I would like for you to meet Dave, who's our local participating contractor. Well, Dave, as you can tell, it's hot in here. So what are the first few things you're going to be looking for?
Well, we want to go up on the roof, take a look at the AC unit. We want to get up in the attic, look at the insulation, at the ductwork, take a look at some weather stripping. There's quite a few things that can cause your home to be uncomfortable as well as inefficient.
So Carmen and Dave take a look around the house to assess the project.
I think this is about a 15-year-old air conditioning unit.
Yep.
Very inefficient. You can see that there's some gaps right here.
Absolutely.
Carmen and Dave start to notice that there's more going on here than just replacing the Esker's air conditioning unit.
So we've got a long way to go.
For the Esker family, a new air conditioning system alone won't be enough to make a lasting difference to their energy usage, since there are also existing drafts and leaks.
So you guys, I've got some good news and I've got some not so good news. Which would you like first?
Not so good news.
You guys already kind of know. You need a whole new air conditioning unit, right? And the second part of it is,
Well, if you truly want to be energy efficient and comfortable, we got to stop the leaks, we got to stop the drafts coming into the house, which means that we need to replace the ductwork, add more insulation, and also replace the water heater.
the good news is PG&E has a home upgrade program, and with that comes a rebate. And if you do a combined improvement of energy projects in your home, you can qualify for up to $2,500.
That'll help out a lot.
The Home Upgrade Program rewards you for addressing your home's energy efficiency needs as a complete system. When you install 3 or more upgrades at once, you can earn valuable rebates, as well as gain efficiencies with your energy savings, which will help you save money when compared to upgrading your system on a project-by-project basis.
With a family of 4, this would have been impossible without the home upgrade program.
And get ready for insulation.
While Carmen gave the living room a makeover, she had the contractor working on installing the home upgrade improvements, and then quickly put the kids to work installing new LED lights around their home. The newest LEDs use 75% less energy and can last 20 times longer than incandescent lighting, and about 2 to 5 times longer than fluorescent lighting. Meanwhile, Madeline signed up for My Energy, which will help her keep track of her energy and will keep her up to date with tips on how to improve her energy consumption.
I didn't realize that going to PG&E's website would have so much information on how to save money.
The Energy House Calls team installed a new microwave and a new energy-efficient fridge that qualified the Eskers for an instant $75 rebate. Plus, when they recycle their old refrigerator, they received an additional $50 rebate, a combined savings of $125.
Alrighty. Well, it looks like the water heater is almost done. We've tackled the attic from the inside. The new AC unit has been installed. Weather stripping is in. I cannot wait to see the family's reaction.
That's okay.
Ooh-wee, it's hot out here, you guys. We've taken the whole home approach to energy efficiency in your home. Let's take a look at your house, shall we?
Sounds
Okay.
great.
Let's do it.
Oh my God, guys. I look like I live in a magazine. Oh, wow.
My stash?
Yeah, I think your stash is
You gotta find another place for the salsa.
I'm gonna have
I'm so sorry. So, I got one quick question for you guys. How do you feel?
cooler.
Exactly! Because you have a new air conditioner. We went ahead and did a ton more insulation in your attic. A new water heater. We've weather stripped all of your doors. And then of course, ta-da!
That's awesome.
The newest member of the family. I'm looking forward to seeing our PG&E bill, because this is definitely a different temperature.
But the Energy House Calls team had one more trick up their sleeve.
Happy anniversary!
Thank you. Thank you.
The home upgrade program made this all possible. Our kids are now going to rest comfortably, and we're all going to be cool and happy, and life is good.
To find out how much the Esker family saved on their energy bill, make sure to sign up for updates on EnergyHouseCalls.com.